In this video, we're gonna make some charts, graphs, and tables accessible in Microsoft Word, and then we're going to save those things out as a template so that they can be used in any other bar charts or tables that we produce in the future. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jorgensen, and let's jump into the ring. First things first, I just set this document up with a custom design. So under the design tab, under colors, I edited my company colors. And what's cool about this is now we can work on setting up this chart in an accessible way. And we're going to make it to where we can automatically apply it. All right, so first things first, let's take the yellow. And I want to apply a fill, a pattern fill to it. Let's go ahead and find our fill options. So under Format Data Series in Fill, we're gonna choose Pattern Fill. Now, what's frustrating about this is I need to reset my color. So to do that, I'm going to set my theme color here, and we will do these cross-based items. And now the background color, in theory, we could set to the primary theme color, but I think I'm just gonna do white. And then let's zoom in, and we can determine that there are some diagonal crosses there. Now it's a little hard to see. Let's see if we have any different ones we can pick. We've got different things we can do for the border, but not much we can do for the fill on the color. So let's try, let's make all these vertical lines. You know what? We're just gonna leave it as is. That's fine. Let's go ahead and change the blue also. We're gonna do pattern fill. We will change it to our theme blue. And then let's do checkered. And then let's take our red and let's also do a pattern fill. And we want our theme red, and we can do bricks, or we can also do vertical lines. Let's take our green. We're gonna do gradient fill. Pattern fill. And then we're gonna change to our theme green, and let's do horizontal lines. And then let's do our orange. We're gonna do pattern fill, change our foreground to our theme color, and then let's choose checkered for that. So now we have all of our data in here, and this is an accessible chart. Just to be safe, let's go ahead and bold our categories, and let's bold our series. Let's go ahead and back out a little bit, select our chart, and what we're gonna do is right-click this, and let's do save as template. We're gonna give it a name and select save. That concludes today's video on how to set up an accessible bar chart template and apply it to your other bar charts throughout your document. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, or if you want to join my exclusive community with self-paced courses, bi-weekly webinars, and direct access to yours truly, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.